my gosh, guys, I just got this bubble moisturizer today. I love her. Like, I can't believe I got this. I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, look how cute. There's like little rainbows and clouds because it's cloud surf. And like, it's more like purple packaging than the other ones. And so this is actually my first Bubble product. I love Bubble. Okay, we have a cloud. Okay, first of all, it says Bubble. I love that. And this is not sponsored. But I recommend you should get this one. Because this is so, I love her already. Let's put her on for the skin. Look how clean that is. It's probably not gonna get clean because I'm probably gonna love it. It looks like a donut. It looks like a donut. Wait, why am I so tan? Why am I so tan? Wait, actually, why? Okay, let's get this girl in. Just gotta rub her in. Put her on the forehead. And that means I can do skincare smoothies now. Yes, queen. Let's just rub that in. Look how good my skin looks. This is definitely my favorite moisturizer now. Like, this is so good. Bro, you cannot tell me I love this product. Like, me and her need to model and be besties. Bye, guys.